All right, so today we are going to be doing flipping designs a little bit differently. We're going to do a field trip. So we are actually at Big Bear Flooring, and we are going to be talking about the different types of flooring. And today I have Brock, and he's going to be helping us out, kind of going through the entire process. So Brock, tell us a little bit about what you do for us.
So we pick up a house, we walk through it. From there, I kind of take it over and run the operations. I make sure that it looks as beautiful as Maeli has envisioned it, and just make sure that happens. Kind of run the operations. So in this case, Maeli's picking designs. I'm thinking, okay, how much is that going to cost? Who are we going to use to do it? You know, that's how I think. Maeli picks out the beautiful stuff. I think, okay, how's this going to work number-wise? How's this?
He tells me if I can or if I can't do it.
Too expensive. Sorry, that's over. So I kind of think logistically and just kind of think of running their operations.
Oh, I'm so excited. So today we have to actually pick the flooring for one of our properties, 1930. And we're actually going to show you 1930 and show actually the tile, show the different types of designs inside the property. So that'll be really fun. Well, let's go take a look and see the different types that we can choose from.
Yeah,
all right, let's go take a look.
So we got Mario here.
Mario, good to have you, Ashley.
Nice to meet you
finally. Yeah, instead of over the phone, right?
So typically what we do is say, okay, what is the style for all of 2023? So all of the homes in which we're remodeling right this second will all have the same exact style, except for probably Hollywood, and that's
couple
just
one-offs.
Yeah. There's a couple one-offs, but that's what we're doing today is picking out basically what we're going to be using for the entire year of 2023. I'm excited. I love it so much, and then it's just plug and play.
Yep.
Right.
And it's easy. We've got a template and.
Yeah, now we're not having to come here every single time. It's like, as much as I love you. Yeah.
At the house, we can choose for the LVP.
Okay.
But here you can at least see, and the
Yeah, and
planks,
feel it.
Mario, the planks are the taller 7-footers.
We were just kind of showing you guys, and here, if you can't see what you like, there's Cali, what you guys were talking about, and then Cortec, another offline from Shaw, higher end, a little thicker.
Yep.
So if you're wanting to see colors, let's pull them out. Just throw them on the floor.
Ooh.
Throw them all on the floor for you.
So we can
That
see
way
the
you kinda
color.
See them, and then maybe even take a couple more home.
Okay.
Or to the project.
Yeah.
Kind of determine, hey, this fits or not.
A little bit
Yeah.
better for
This
what
is
we're
where it
looking for.
gets heavy, where there's so many options.
Yeah.
But stick to Shaw's Titan, the Cali, or that Cortec. You guys would be happy in the sense of quality.
Sweet.
The color finding is going to be on you guys to see
Right.
what you guys like.
Yep.
Okay, well, I'm good up
Yeah,
here.
I
If you're
think
good.
we can pick out the color for good at the house, because I think between this and the other three, those are what we want.
Okay,
So
perfect.
we can
Yay!
get back to you on that.
Let's go figure out carpet.
How about we take some and we discuss whether it's a very, hey, this is the
Man,
one
you
and
guys
we
have
got
the
to work
prices
on.
on it. That's great.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
What is?
Having
prices
your
are already on it.
Oh, yes,
I go to all these places, it's like, what's the price? What is it? And they have to tell me on every little thing.
And it's on
That's
there
great.
due to it being here in our warehouse.
This is all of our in-stock
Yeah.
All our stuff generic, kind of like when you do a walkthrough. of Lowe's.
Yeah, if you order in.
Sure.
Gotcha.
Yeah, no, that makes sense. And really for us, inventory is really important, right? Because time is money.
Yeah.
And so
Right.
if we're waiting on materials, it's a no for us.
Yeah.
So,
Majority
why
of the
we do
time, though,
this.
when we order in, we can get it within 7 to 10 days, so
Oh.
it's a pretty quick turnaround.
That-
But if it's a back-ordered color, then it could be a month or two.
okay, that's not terrible. Yeah. Unfortunately, we're kind of usually late to order a carpet.
Yeah, we are. Yeah.
Maybe I could show them the ones we're doing in those projects to see if they like.
That's all loops.
I don't know
You
what
guys
that
mind
means.
checking those out? You guys want to check them out? And maybe
Sure.
I can show you the warehouse at the same
Yeah,
time.
let's do that. Let's go for another field trip. I like it.
Let's go.
You want to give them a rundown, maybe in the background? I'm going to take one of those rolls out to show you.
Ooh, how fun!
My
yeah.
man, okay. Cool.
Do that.
I like
That's
it.
fun.
So this is our to-go
Nice.
rack and our remnant pieces. So once we, like if you pay your deposit, we'll cut your carpet and put it here
Put it there.
so that it's ready and we don't
Yeah.
sell it to somebody else.
There you
Nice.
go. That's so cool. Can I drive? Do you think they'll let me drive?
It's like an arcade game, too.
Yeah.
Our 11-year-old drives it. So
Yeah?
it's pretty easy.
Oh!
Nice.
Let me do it!
We'll teach you.
Oh.
Is this shorter stuff harder to install? Okay, which now we're going into summer, so that'll be nice. Cause yeah, we just did a house. They carpeted
This is
in
nice.
winter, and yeah, it took them a while. It didn't seem very well. You could see lines, and it was like,
Yeah, this feels nice.
yeah, this actually, yeah.
Yeah.
And this is the color
It's
we're
the
trying
light.
to go with.
Yeah.
She wanted to jump on the forklift.
Yes, I
Go ahead.
do. Yes. Oh my God, you're gonna show me how?
That's all you. You got it.
Brake, gas, forward, reverse, neutral.
Okay.
There you go. Start your car up.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Up, down.
Yeah, just like the
That's all
arcade
you gotta worry
games.
about. This is to change
The claw.
angle.
Oh.
I'll tell you change the angle there a little bit, but just lift it up off the floor.
Back up. Let's see. This is harder than you think.
Right there.
Oh.
Count it.
Yeah, yo.
She's hired.
I'm hired. All right. I did it. I'm done.
Park it up. Call it good.
Perfect.
Hey, I'm not gonna lift it, but that's cool. I want one. Hey Mitch, I want one for Christmas. That's so fun. So can you cut off a little bit so I can take it to the property? Okay, so we can throw that on top of the,
Yeah, sweet. And
brilliant.
Okay, but yeah, I think this is kind of the color, more grayer than we think.
A little bit more white, right? I love
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
It'll make the room feel bigger.
yeah. Cool. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
we're off to the property. Thanks you guys.
you.
Thank you guys so much. This was super fun. Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
Thank
Thank
you. Let's head over to the property and see what it looks like in the home.
Yes.
Okay, let's go do it. Okay, so Brock,
Yes.
explain to me, we were there, they were going over
Yep.
the different sizes and textures and, all that. So if we did choose something more like this, does it come in planks like that?
Yeah, yep,
Oh,
it comes
okay.
in these exact size planks.
Okay.
These ones come in the 7-footers, so it'd be that same size, just that color.
Okay.
So this is the same color as this. This is their essential white oak. It just looks different when you've got them all together. But these
Yeah.
are the same.
Okay.
Here's the sandalwood, and then that'll be that same size for that kind of whiter color.
I actually really like this.
Yeah.
But looking at the different Prada homes and kind of what's coming up on the market, I kind of feel like everything's going like white.
The whiter.
Especially because this is a small space, right? And so being that it's small, it's cozy, it's intimate, but we need it to feel bright and, a little bit bigger.
For sure. Yeah. I think you still get the nice warm
Yeah.
to it, but then yeah, it's got.
Well, and with staging,
little white.
obviously we'll bring in the browns and, so I feel like it'll kind of warm it
This
up.
is my personal favorite. I like that.
Yeah?
I do. Yeah.
Okay.
This is LVP, but it's the thickest stuff that we can find. So it's a 1/2 inch thick. At our other properties, and so we'll use this as an example because this has a piece of wood on the back
Oh,
of it,
okay.
but you can tell. So that's a 1/2 inch. If you remember our other properties, we had a little thinner. It was a lot more flappy, felt more plasticky.
Yeah.
That was 12 millimeters thick. So this is double the size.
Is it double the price?
No, it's not double the price. It is slightly more expensive. It's about $1.50 more per foot, which for us isn't terrible.
Yeah.
But I think what it'll do, if we do have some tiny little spot where we missed to kind of finish the subfloor, you won't be able to fill it. It'll be a solid 1/2 inch going across the tiny little gap, whereas at the other homes, sometimes you can fill it. You
Yes.
step and you can fill a bump that we missed.
And you can see the wave, actually.
And yeah,
too,
you can even
which-
see it, but
yeah.
the fact that we'll have bigger planks and thicker planks should avoid that problem that we've had.
I mean, we did have to do all new subfloor.
Yeah,
on
and
this
that's the
property.
nice thing. This is all new subfloor anyway, so it should be super level as it is.
Right, so we almost could probably get away with
Yeah,
the cheaper stuff
maybe.
on this house.
Yeah, maybe on this house.
Just because, yeah.
I mean, we do have some transitions that are rough, and the second half of the house is not new subfloor.
Oh, okay.
So it'll
So it's smart. Yeah.
still be smart and worth it, I think, in the long run to go with this thicker stuff, so we don't have that issue.
And I would like to have it laid this direction.
Okay, we walk in.
Yep, because so that's kind of a trick, right, in design. If it's going this direction, you can kind of feel if you're walking from this front door, it'll feel like railroad tracks. And it just feels stuffy,
Yeah.
right? This will
Yeah.
invite you to want to come this direction.
So-
Yep. Are we doing laminate through, do we have the budget to do through the hallways?
So yeah, we've already got the bid. They've bid out. Because we're doing LVP, it's waterproof.
Yes.
And so last time we talked, if we do LVP, we're
Bathrooms.
gonna do the bathrooms
Perfect.
as
I
well.
love it.
Save us some money instead of laying tile.
Does it save us money to
Yeah.
not do tile?
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Yep, saves us some money to not tile the floor and just use the LVP.
I love
so
that.
yeah, we'll go here, but each bedroom we're gonna stick with carpet.
Just the carpet, yep.
But we'll go LVP everywhere except bedrooms.
So then now we gotta decide on the carpet. I think those are my two favorite. So he was saying that this is kind of both, right? It's got the loops.
It's got some loops and some fibers sticking out to get a little more comfort in there.
And it does. I was swimming on it and it felt very nice. But right, you have to think through that. It's like kids are gonna be playing. This is for sure a family home, right? And so the kids are gonna be playing on the, like, that's something they're gonna feel. It's like, ooh, this does feel nicer.
It does, yeah. I mean, as far as comfort, these type of carpets that just have the fibers coming up do
better.
You do kind of want to sprawl out and lay on them a little bit more, for sure.
All right, sold.
There we go.
We're just gonna keep it.
There's our combo.
Yep, that's the combo.
Okay.
I think we did it. And I really can see this in all our other properties too.
Yeah, and it's a nice, pretty simple template that we can kind of work around. Each house can have that as a base and then go off of it from there.
It will be harder to keep clean. We've got to put down plastic for the rest of the contractors.
But yep, all our
Right.
flooring's got to come with
So
plastic over it.
let's not destroy our floors before we go
Yes.
design it. Okay,
Totally.
perfect. Well, that's all we had for the design of all the flooring. I think we nailed it
Yeah,
on
hell yeah,
our,
so good.
and I love when we can get a template that is a plug and play like that. It's gonna look so beautiful on all of our properties. We're not gonna have to try and do all of this all over again, right?
And I can bulk order stuff. That makes me happy. So
Right.
I can save some money and order a lot for more than one house. So that's always nice.
Yes, that is. And they let me use their forklift, so that's, you know.
So thank you to Big Bear for Mario and Ashley over there. We appreciate them. If you need flooring in the Salt Lake area, they're in Draper. Awesome to work with. Maybe you can drive the forklift too. But big shout out to them. We appreciate them.
If you like what you saw today, or if it was helpful in any way, share it with your friends and let them know how awesome this is. And hopefully you learned something, because I always do when we do these videos.
Right, every day.
Yeah, every day we're learning something. We love you. Give us a like and a thumbs up on our channel and subscribe for sure. We'll see you on the flip side.
Side.